You ask me what I like about Texas, I tell you it's a wide open spaces. It's everything between the Sabine and the Rio Grande. It's a Llano Estacado, it's the Brazos and the Colorado. It's the spirit of the people who share this land. And it's another burrito, it's a cold Lone Star in my hand. It's a quarter for the jukebox boys, play the sons of the mother-loving bunkhouse band. Well, you ask me what I like about Texas, it's a big timber around Nacogdoches, driving El Camino Real down to San Antone. It's the river walking the tierras, jamming out with Bongo Joe, the stories of the Menger Hotel and the Alamo. You remember the Alamo? It's another burrito, it's a cold Lone Star in my hand. It's a quarter for the jukebox boys, play the sons of the mother-loving bunkhouse band. Jukebox boys, play the sons of the mother-loving bunkhouse band. Well, you ask me what I like about Texas, it's blue bonnets and Indian paintbrushes. It's swimming in the sacred waters of Barton Springs. It's body surfing the Frio, it's Saturday night in Del Rio. It's crossing over the border for some cultural exchange. Yeah! It's another burrito, it's a cold Lone Star in my hand. It's a quarter for the jukebox boys, play the sons of the mother-loving bunkhouse band. Bunkhouse band. Well, you ask me what I like about Texas. Well, I could tell you, but we'd be here all night long.
She blew in from out of town, Georgia tags and a rag top down, turning heads in the neighborhood, half down home, half Hollywood, looking good. She had too much rent and rolled up cash, and a blue tick hound that she called Nash. Sent a postcard home with an ocean view. Just got here, mama, I miss you. Where she prays every night, and when she wakes every morning, the sun shines on a dreamer. Shines a light on you when you listen to your heart. The sun shines on a dreamer. Shines a light on you through the dim, through the dark. Well, she met Joe at the grocery late one night, 9:03. Standing next to the refried beans, shining through his old blue jeans. Well, hello's all it took, and they rambled on down the road. The sun shines on a dreamer. Shines a light on you when you listen to your heart. The sun shines on a dreamer. Shines a light on you through the dim, through the dark. They climbed on to the carousel. Now they're sitting up there on top of the world, arms wide open to the sky. Yeah, you gotta dream if you wanna fly. Yeah, you gotta dream if you wanna fly. The sun shines on a dreamer. Shines a light on you when you listen to your heart. The sun shines on a dreamer. Shines a light on you through the dim, through the dark. Yeah, the sun shines on a dreamer. Oh, shines a light on you when you listen to your heart. Yeah, the sun shines on a dreamer. Yeah, it shines a light on you through the dim, through the dark.
Up this morning before the sun, fixed me some coffee and a honey bun. Jumped in my pickup, gave her the gas. I'm going out to catch a 5-pound bass. Down by the lakeside, just off the ramp, all them people sleeping in their fishing camps. Some out in the pup tents, some out on the grass. They all be dreaming about the 5-pound bass. Billy Birdie always gets his one, me I always get my wish. When you're talking about that 5-pound bass, son, Billy Wormy gets a fish. Jump in my John boat, I store my gear, I fire up, and when I'm in the clear, I sail across that water, screw these glasses. Ready, here I come, you 5-pound bass, 5-pound bass. find a perfect spot, some old dead trees. Back in a canyon where you can't feel no breeze. I tie my lure, I make my cast. It's breakfast time, 5-pound bass. That old sun is rising, that water's clear. I watch my lure as it's flying through the air. I see a ripple, I hear a splash. Lord have mercy, it's a 5-pound bass. That's a 5-pound bass.